Making a motion is done in 4 easy steps. First, a member of the board makes the motion. You can motion to approve an item, or motion to adjourn the meeting, or even move that a motion be amended. Making a motion starts the conversation. For the motion to continue, you need another member on the chair to second the motion.
I second that motion.
Now that we have a motion and it has been seconded, the motion can be up for debate. The presiding chair should ask the members if there are any questions in response to the motion. If there are no questions, we can move on to the vote. Now the presiding officer will ask for all of those in favor of the motion, as well as all of those in opposition. And finally the presiding officer will announce the decision. The ayes have it, the motion carries. But if it doesn't pass, the presiding officer announces that the nays have it, and the motion fails. And there you have it, making a motion in 4 steps. Make the motion, second the motion, discuss the motion, and vote on the motion.